Good morning, students. Today we are going to see some examples on Pythagoras theorem. We have seen the theorem number 6.7, 6.8, and 6.9. On these theorems, we are going to see the examples. So here is the first example. In figure, angle ACB is 90 degree. That angle ACB, this angle is 90 degree. And CD is perpendicular to AD. CD is perpendicular to AD, which will make this angle as a 90 degree. Prove that BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon AD. So how we can prove this? For proving this, we will take the help of theorem number 6.7. What is theorem 6.7? That if a perpendicular drawn from right angle to the hypotenuse in a right triangle, okay, it will divide two triangles, and these two triangles are similar with each other, as well as these two triangles are similar with the whole triangle, that is what big triangle. So this concept we will use here. So first I will show the smaller triangle, that is ADC, is similar with ABC. How it is similar, that I will show here. So these are the similar because of the theorem 6.7 that I will write here. So here triangle ADC is similar with triangle A. I will not take BC. Why? I have to take ACB. Why I have to take A is equal to A. D is 90 degree. Here C is 90 degree. So we have to maintain the one-to-one correspondence. And you can write the reason here by angle similarity, or directly you can write theorem 6.7. This is the reason behind it. So I want here BC square and AC square. I think from these two, AC is here, AC is here. So I will get AC square from it. If the triangles are similar, then their sides are in the same ratio. So what I will do here, I will take AC here from the first one. A and C, I will take A and C. AC upon, so here it will come AB, first and last AB. AC upon AB is equal to, from second triangle I want, okay, from the second triangle I want AC, so that's why from first triangle I will take AD. So AD first two upon second triangle AC. So just cross multiplication, AC will come left hand side. AC into AC is equal to AB into AD. AC into AC is AC square is equal to AB into AD. Say this is equation number 1. Similarly, I will show the second triangle is similar. I will take second triangle is similar with the whole triangle. How? Again, triangle, I will take BDC. BDC is similar with triangle BCA. BCA. Now check the one-to-one correspondence. B is equal to B. D is 90 degree. C is 90 degree. No problem. Okay. Now AC square I got. I want BC square. So I will take BC square. BC is here. So BC upon first and last, here BA, afterwards I will write AB. BC upon BA is equal to, from second one I want BC, this, so I will take BD upon BC. Take the cross multiplication here. BC into BC is equal to BA into BD. BC into BC is BC square is equal to BA. Can I write AB? Yes, AB into BD. This is equation number 2. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, I want BC square upon AC square. So I write BC square upon AC square is equal to, what is the BC square? AB into BD upon AC square, AB into AD. So AB gets cancelled. So what is remaining here? BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon AD. hence the proof that I want BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon AD. BC square upon AC square is equal to BD upon AD. Okay, see this is the second example. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window 6 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. So first we'll see how will be the diagram. Suppose this is the wall. Suppose wall is AB. AB is the wall, which will makes the angle 90 degree with the earth, and say here is the ladder. This is the ladder. We can say that ladder is AC. AC is the ladder. So its foot is at distance 2.5 meter from the wall. Its foot. This is the ladder's foot. From the wall, it is 2.5 meter away, and its top reaches a window 6 meter above the ground. So this is a 6 meter above the ground. This is here it is a window. Okay. So this distance is 6 meter. So what is given here? Just I'll write AB is equal to 6 meter and BC is equal to 2.5 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the length of the ladder. We have to find AC is equal to how much? So very simple. By Pythagoras. What is the Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, I think triangle ABC we have to write. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is right triangle by which angle B is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras, what we'll write? By Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB square 6 square plus 2.5. BC is 2.5 square. So AC square is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 2.5. I think it is 2.5 is 2.5 6.25 it is coming. So AC square is equal to 42.25. So taking square root on both sides, AC is equal to near about, we can say that near about 6.5 meter. So AC is 6.5 meter. We can say that length of ladder, therefore the length of the ladder is 6.5 meter. This is required. Very simple example. Okay, this is the third example. In figure, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC, which makes this D angle as of 90 degree. And then we have to prove AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. How we can prove this? Only just we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So how we'll use the Pythagoras theorem? We'll use the Pythagoras theorem here in this triangle as well as this triangle. Because of it makes this angle as a 90 degree. So using Pythagoras, what we can write using Pythagoras? In triangle ADB, this is 90 degree. So AB is hypotenuse. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So can I write AD square is equal to BD, I will shift this side, AB square minus BD square. This is equation number 1. Similarly, in second triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, this is in triangle ADB, this is in triangle ADC. ADC, this angle is 90 degree. So this is a hypotenuse. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square, isn't it? So from here also I'll write AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal, LHS is equal AD square, so that we can say that their right hand side is also equal. So therefore AB square minus BD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. So this BD square I'll transfer to the right hand side and CD square I'll transfer to the left hand side. So AB square, this minus CD square will comes here as a plus CD square is equal to this minus BD square will shift that side as a plus BD square plus here AC square. I think this we want in the equation. AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. This is the required thing. So means what, whenever the right angle comes in the picture in the triangle, then you can use the Pythagoras theorem or theorem number 6.7. Again we will see one more example, one more interesting example. See the fourth example. The BL plus CM are medians of a triangle ABC and right angled at angle A. So ABC is a right triangle, right angled at A, and BL is a median, so that we can say that AC divides into the two equal parts, AL and CL. L is a midpoint, median, L is a midpoint, and CM is also median. So M is the midpoint of AB, L is the midpoint of AC. Then we have to prove 4BL square, 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. So how we can prove? Again here right angle, so we can use the Pythagoras here. So in triangle, bigger triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, it is right angled at A. So using Pythagoras, what we can say, BC square, hypotenuse square, is equal to AB square plus AC square. Say this is equation number 1. We can say this is equation number 1. So now from triangle, you can take any triangle, any lower triangle. Just I'll take ABL in a triangle. In triangle ABL, again using Pythagoras. Why we can use the Pythagoras? Angle A is of 90 degree. BL is hypotenuse. So BL square is equal to AL square plus AB square. So what is AL? L is the midpoint of AC. Can I say that AL is half of AC? Yes, that I'll write here. BL square is equal to AL. I'll write half of AC, or AC upon 2 bracket square plus AB square. Why? The reason is BL is median. BL is median, L is midpoint. So this reason we can give there. So BL square is equal to AC square upon 4 plus AB square by squaring. AC is a square, AC square, and 2 square is 4. So equate the denominator. BL square is equal to AC square plus 4AB square upon 4. This 4 I'll shift to the left hand side. How? See.